Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 4 minus 7 times 4 minus 7. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 4 minus 7 gives us negative 3. So negative 3 times this parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, again, we have 4 minus 7. Okay? So negative 3 times negative 3, which equals positive 9. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we have one subtraction. Here we have a multiplication, because in mathematics, when a number is placed next to parentheses, it means multiplication, and we usually don't write the multiplication sign for brevity. Okay, so according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then multiplication, and then finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this multiplication or this parentheses, it is wrong. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 4 minus 7, which equals negative 3. So 4 minus 7 then times negative 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction. So here, first we have to do this multiplication. 7 times negative 3 equals negative 21. So 4 minus negative 21. Negative times negative gives us positive. So we have 4 plus 21, which equals 25. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 25.